Yeah, it's our second time here. First time we came was 2019. Um, well,
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
man, we got those.
Yeah. Oh, fake footage happening, bruh. Hey, come on, man.
Hey, y'all late, so we need to get to the stage. So let's.
You late?
Yeah, let's go.
All right. Are they ready?
Yeah,
If they ready, why y'all got a DJ that ain't playing music yet?
we waiting on y'all.
Absolutely, bro. When I get good, that's gonna be the thing. They don't want to support then. Gonna want me to tag you in my videos. Be like, nah. Bring it all up. Back when you was 9, you were bringing it all up. Bring it back. Run it back. Run it back. I don't remember how I used to do the drums, but the foot part. I remember the foot part you said. Listen to the song. Listen to the song. I can't get my foot part.
Multiple purpose with all the chords. Even I told him that speaker has to go back. We can't take it because it's part of what the school paid for. So
You said what speaker?
But he want me
The setup that we did this morning, we had Super Home Day or whatever. I was not given any sort of layout of how y'all wanted it, so I could, because remember, we didn't.
They told me I couldn't put it under there too.
Because of the plot, I mean,
Yeah,
the
yeah.
stage part say like that's what
Yeah,
the
so I
plot
couldn't.
we just gonna say I think one of them straight. Should be. One should be straight.
How often y'all gotta call audibles? All the time.
Every show?
Every show.
Every show? Last show they gave us CDJ So Old. When I put it in Serato, it said this had been discontinued with Serato. It was like an SLR2 or something, like a box. It was like the CDJ So Old, you needed a box. You couldn't like link them.
That's SL1 box.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's
Yeah, but it's an SL2, it said it was discontinued, bro. It was that stuff that old.
I think they just maybe just got the front was on, so maybe it sounded loud. Okay. Check. Well, yeah, drop something. That's why I told Steve come back here.
Well, we gotta. I might have to plug my hard one in. I ain't gonna get in. You hear this?
What? Yeah, I hear you.
Yeah.
Play something. Let me see if I hear you.
No. You don't hear me.
Check.
I don't have no.
Showtime, man. The show
I
started.
like this.
Show started in 30 minutes, man. We need everybody on campus anymore, man. We trying to go viral tonight, man. Let's go.
Take a walk with me. Wow, let's take a walk with me.
Sean got the new pandas.
Hey, you can't.
Out straight out the box.
Can't be asking too many questions.
114.
Hey, put it back
220.
there.
Got my Christmas one once. Probably the only time I wear it.
You hot?
No. This door's gonna lock.
We in here though.
Right. But it's. I mean.
We gonna start the latest game show that ever been the campus. Let's do it.
Let's pop it down.
Ayy, money on way. All see his hunts all day. Top chef, fish saute. Come on, LA. President rolling with the date. Pulling out the foreigns, we could race. In and out of state. We cannot relate. I gotta stay laced. She want us to date. I teach you keeping faithful. Come on, make our way. Next pillar talk, got realistic talk. We'll shoot a whole place. We ain't taking loss, double lung drug boss in the $6 loss. Cooking fish parquet.
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for E-Man Hudson! can sit here and listen to your pastor. You can sit here and try to listen to your mama, your daddy, your friends. But ain't none of that gonna matter unless you get to the word of God yourself.